Hi everyone, just here in Chengdu. I'm with a friend and we're walking through the streets. We're actually going to search for a place to have something to eat. So yeah, come along with us. Hope you enjoy this and I'll add some more soon.
I like 这个。
예, 예. Okay.
beautiful. 拍手。In Australia, so expensive. Absolutely.
Depends.
Good.
No, some shop cheap.
I really liked that nearly everywhere you went there was bikes that you could hire. The different colours, different companies. And Chengdu's quite a flat city, so the bikes are a very good way to get around actually. I started using them more and more when I was there.
You want anything there? You want something from there?
Over the roads they also got quite a few of these footbridges, as you see. You'll probably see a few of them. You can't cross the road just by walking across like you can in Australia, not in most places. You can on the smaller road, like on the right here. This is also pretty typical in a lot of areas around the city, where there's people eating literally street food. There is a lot of food culture there. There's a lot of different foods, and yeah, it's spread all out throughout the city. I don't normally drink Coke, but I came into this shop to get a drink, and they have their own version of Coke, and it tastes exactly the same, and I would quite often buy that because a lot of the time I didn't know what the other things were.
Jeez.
哎，你好，徐总。
你好，我这边看群里面说，
哎，我那个电话没带。
明天晚上9点钟他的一个网络会议说这个事。
明天晚上啊。哦，好的好。
可以说一下。
好的。谢谢。
Yeah, I know, a little bit different, but for me, I can learn this one.
谢谢 English say thank you.
Say yes. Thank you.
So I even got some complimentary Chinese lessons along the way. And this, just here, this is a bike repair shop. Apart from normal bicycles, there is tons of electric scooters in Chengdu. As you can see, more and more little food options, dessert options. They are literally everywhere. Alleyways full of options. If you like food, the middle of Chengdu, this is near Chunxi Road. It has so many options. Also has good coffee. Go to Luckin for good coffee. Okay, we're getting close to our destination now. So what I'll do is I can't seem to locate the footage that I shot inside the restaurant. So there's a little bit of when we walk in. But what I'll do is I'll just add some photos and things and you'll understand. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.